welcome back to my channel. A long time no see. This video is being sponsored by Medicube. Medicube provides proven solutions for every skin concern. I haven't vlogged in so long. I don't know if you guys know, if you follow me on Instagram and TikTok, you may know, but I recently moved to a new apartment and I had planned on vlogging the moving process, but honestly it just got to be really overwhelming with my full-time job and moving, and then my parents also came. So unfortunately I did not end up vlogging the actual process, but I am moved in now and it's not completely done or anything, but I wanted to vlog today, kind of show you guys where I'm at with all of it, and then kind of get your feedback on some things that I need some second opinions on. It's currently Saturday. I woke up and I actually just walked to get donuts. I'll put a little clip in here. My area now is so walkable. I love it so much. I took a quick shower, but I look greasy because I want to do like a slicked back hair moment tonight. I'm getting dinner and going out with friends, so I didn't wash my hair, so that's why I look a little greasy. But I do still need to wash my face, so this is where the sponsor of today's video comes in. Like I mentioned, this video is being sponsored by Medicube, so I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about their products and then show you how I use them. Ever since it's become summer, especially here in LA, my skin does get really dry, so I've been loving using Medicube's Glass Glow collagen line. This morning I'm going to be using the triple collagen toner. I love this packaging and it matches the like accessories in my bathroom. It contains triple collagen complex that absorbs into your skin for deep hydration from within, which once again I said I definitely need. And then I'm also using the triple deep erasing cream. This has 11 patented ingredients. I'm so bad at saying that word, but these ingredients are proven to smooth out fine lines, fill in wrinkles, tighten pores, and eliminate blemishes and dark spots. That's another little skin concern that I like to keep in mind, is some fine lines and wrinkles. More specifically, I deal with that in my forehead, but since I've been using these products and then the other device I'm going to show you in a second, it's really helped. I'll put a little before and after here. Obviously I'm only 25, so I don't have any like super deep set wrinkles or anything like that, but I do think it's really important to kind of get ahead of that and use products that are kind of preventative. This is the HR Derma EMS shot device. This helps to contour, firm, and depuff, which are like the three things everyone wants. I know, especially for me, if I have like a night out and I've been drinking, my skin just gets really puffy, so this has been helping a lot with that, and then also like the fine lines I previously mentioned. And then with that device I use the HR booster gel. So I'm gonna head into my new bathroom and show you guys how I use these products. Okay, so I'm starting off with the Glass Glow toner, just putting that on a cotton ball and kind of rubbing and patting this into my skin. You can see all the dirt after, which I kind of like because it shows that it's working. After the toner, I move on to the HR Derma EMS shot. I use the second level, and this device does have 3 personalized modes: up, slim, and body. I use slim. You will see my muscles twitching a little bit. I promise this does not hurt at all, guys. It feels kind of just like a tingly sensation. So if you see that, don't worry. This device gently massages and stimulates the subdermal muscles using medium frequency energy. These mid-frequency energy currents can help massage and stimulate inactive muscles in the skin, which supports skin elasticity. You can even use this device on your shoulders, so I'm doing that there, and then I'm just finishing off with the deep erasing cream. This makes my skin feel so soft and moisturized, and overall, just look how glowy it looks. I love these products. Guys, every time I do this skincare routine, my skin just feels so fresh and clean and glowy after. Like, I'm sure you can see how dewy and glowy it looks right now. And I do have a promo code for you. You guys can use the code TASHA10 for 10% off. I will put all the product info in the description, but thank you again to Medicube for sponsoring this video. So I think now I kind of want to show you guys where I'm at with my apartment, give you a little tour, I guess, because I haven't really done that on here at all. I did it on my TikTok, so make sure you're following me over there. It's just Tasha Farsace. And then I also did it on Instagram, just at Tasha. Okay, so this is when you first walk in the apartment. Once again, guys, it's not completely clean. I desperately need to vacuum and it's, you know, not done, but I want to show you guys so far. So I have my little mirror here that I had in my last apartment, and I have like my keys underneath. And then this is the kitchen. I love it so much. I love this stone backsplash, and it goes all the way to the ceiling with these open shelves. I definitely want to get more things to actually make this look cute. I just have like some of my cuter alcohol and then some glassware. This stuff's probably not gonna stay up here. And then for now, I just have a lot of my plants up here. The one thing about this apartment is the kitchen and living room aren't very bright, but the bedroom's super bright, so I was able to kind of get past that. But I don't know how my plants are gonna do. Honestly, they might do well because of these lights. I don't know. These aren't grow lights, but they kind of look like they're doing well and sprouting. So I don't know. I do have my matte black dishes up here from Target. I have more, but they're in the dishwasher. So this is a cutting I took from my plant above my couch. And then my favorite part about this kitchen is the washer and dryer. This is my first time having a washer and dryer in LA since college, at least like my own. It's normally shared, so very excited about that. And then my fridge, I also have an ice maker for the first time in LA, which has been amazing. And then just the other side of the kitchen, there's so much cabinet space in here, guys. Microwave, oven, you know, the normal things. And then this is the living room space. It doesn't look that dark right now. It's not super bright. I did just order a lamp right here from CB2. I'll put a screenshot of that here. But it gets the brightest around like 5 p.m. honestly. But I think it's really, really pretty. I love the fireplace. It's like one of my favorite parts of the apartment. And then I kind of just have the same sort of setup that I did in my last apartment. I really liked that setup and all my furniture, so I kept it. I do have this bench here, which I do like. I'm kind of wondering if I should put something above it. Let me know your thoughts. I do have these two circle mirrors. I have a black one and a gold one that I just didn't really know what I wanted to do with or if I wanted to put them somewhere. So I'm like, maybe the black one would look cute above this. I just don't want it to look too busy. So let me know what you think. I just keep my work bag on here and then this random purse. I think I'm gonna get rid of the pampas grass. Anyways, same coffee table, same shelf. I did put the shelf like 6 inches lower in this apartment than I did in my last one, and I think that looks better. This is the plant I cut that cutting from. And then I have my same full-length mirror. Oh my gosh, this fit. And plant. And then I put this disco ball here because around like 5 p.m. the light comes in and it makes it look super pretty. I'll be sure to vlog that. And then this is my balcony that I think is so cute. So part of the reason it's darker in here is because there's this giant tree covering my balcony. But I actually love that it's here because it makes it so private. There's also birds in it, so I have a little hummingbird feeder up there. Disregard this towel. I had it because I found this giant piece of cactus broken off on the sidewalk in front of my building today, and I took it. So I used this towel to like put around it and carry it upstairs. But I'm gonna plant it in that big pot at some point, but you guys know I love a cactus, so I couldn't turn it down. Here's another look at the fireplace. I love it so much. And then the main question I have for you guys is what to do with this situation. This basket and this are not gonna stay here. But for this, I really like my chairs and I like my table, but I think the table is just way too small for the space now that I have this much bigger space here. Oh my gosh, me in this mirror. I had a much smaller like dining space area in my last apartment, which is why this table worked well, but I just don't really know what to do with it. If I should get a bigger, like longer table and maybe get a couple more of these chairs, but I'm not really sure. And then I don't really know what to do above it if I do anything. So help me out there. I just have this mirror here for right now, but I kind of like it here. I feel like it's decent. That's like the front door area. There's all this storage before the bathroom, which is great. And then this is the bathroom itself. Really modern, which I like. Same with the shower. And then, sorry, this tub is like kind of dirty right now, but there's this like freestanding sort of tub situation, which I think is so awesome. I love a bath. And then moving around the corner, this is my room. As you can see, it's a lot brighter. Once again, it's the brightest at like 4 to 5. The light just like streams in here. Now the lighting's getting weird. This is my bed. I got new art for above my bed. I'm actually trying to sell this Monstera just because I don't know. I feel like I don't really have a good spot for it, but I still have my cactus here and then my pink couch over there. I'm probably gonna get rid of these pillows as well just because they're like a little big for it. Also, don't know about that basket situation, but this is my dresser and my new mirror from Anthropology, which I love. So that is this. Oh, and then guys, the closet is so good. There's like a little closet over there that I have all my shoes in, and then this is like my main closet. It's quite large, which is great. I have stuff like really stacked. Okay, and then there is a second bedroom in this apartment, but it's so tiny that it's definitely more of like an office situation. And this is the room that is not finished at all. So I'm in the process of kind of clearing this out and selling it. And same with the clothing rack because I don't need it anymore. I also need to get a lamp for this room because there's no overhead lighting and this is where I do my work. So working on that. I have this checkered rug I want to put down, but I need to sell this stuff before I can put it down. I pretty much took all the jackets that I had on my clothing rack and put them up here because this apartment came with this built-in. So the idea is I'm going to take everything that I have in here, kind of clean it out, get rid of what needs to be gotten rid of, and then just transfer it here. And this space will just be a lot less cluttered. So, you know, any insights or thoughts you have on this, let me know. This door does come out, but it's actually broken, so they have to come fix it. The best part of this apartment is actually the location. I am like a block from the beach. If you know where this is, just please don't comment it because, you know, there's some weird people on the internet, but I've been walking to the beach and like watching the sunset every night, which has just been so amazing, especially just for like mental health in general. My last apartment was in Culver City and I did like it, but it's just been a game changer living this much closer to the beach. So yeah, that is kind of where I'm at with my apartment. Once again, if you guys have any like recommendations or ideas, especially for like the dining situation or maybe even the office, let me know. But yeah, I just need a vacuum right now, and I honestly might start going through the stuff in that wicker storage so I can kind of clean that out and transfer stuff over. But that's my plan for the day. And then tonight, I think I mentioned earlier, I'm going to dinner with my friends at this new place, or it's like somewhat new. It's called Market and it's in Venice and it kind of turns into like a bar. So we have dinner there. Okay guys, I just emptied out this whole wicker thing and listed it on Facebook Marketplace. So hopefully someone buys it. It honestly looks the same in here because everything is just moved over into these drawers. I can like close them now. And this is what the disco ball does when the sun comes in. I think like in a few minutes there will be more all over the fireplace area, but I love it. It's like my favorite little time of day. Macy's came out with a wine shop, and so they just sent me 6 wines to try. So thank you to Macy's. I'm gonna check these out. Well, this is exciting. I'm very much stocked up on wine. As you can tell, I'm definitely more of a white and rosé girly. I don't love red wine. I try, but these all look so good. So very exciting. Okay friends, it is time for my fit check for tonight. My hair, I just put in like a slicked back little ponytail, and then I've been wearing this corset top so much. It's from White Fox, and then I'm wearing my cargos from ASOS. I like wearing these out because I can hide my pepper spray in the pocket, because bars here always take my pepper spray and it's really annoying because it's like I live by myself and sometimes have to walk a little bit to or after, so it would be nice to have it. So I put it in here. And then for shoes, I'm just wearing my white Docs. It's so weird, guys. These are like the original Jaden Docs and they hurt my feet so badly, but I also have black ones in like the pebbled leather and those don't hurt at all. But these are like hell on my feet. I've had them for years and I've worn them a good amount and they still hurt so bad. So if you guys have any recs for how to break them in better, let me know. But I feel like the white ones just looked a lot better with this outfit because of the top. Honestly, I don't really wear heels out that much just because it's uncomfortable and they get dirty and gross anyways. So yeah, this is the fit. I'm drinking a seltzer and then I'm gonna call an Uber. I probably won't vlog that much out. I kind of want to live in the moment and just like hang out with my friends. But if I take any photos, I will put them in and I'll update you guys tomorrow morning. Good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday. It's like a little after 10 a.m. I finally got out of bed. I wanted to go to the beach and tan a little bit today, but it's not sunny yet. That's something I've found moving closer to the beach. It's always really cloudy in the morning and then the sun ends up coming out later in the afternoon. So we'll see if I get any tanning time in. But I think I'm gonna go on a walk to this cafe called La La Land. It's pretty popular. I always see people posting it, but I've never gone. And it's like a little over a 20-minute walk, but I figured it would be nice just to get like a little walk in on this Sunday morning. So I'm gonna go there. They have a lot of really cool drinks. So I don't know if I'm gonna do a matcha drink or like a coffee drink. And then I want to try their avocado toast. They have one that has like cream cheese on it that I think looks really good. So that's the plan. Should I be doing this and spending my money on this? Probably not, but we're doing it for the vlog, okay? This is my walking fit. The hat is Aviator Nation. My hair is looking so greasy because of my slick back hair from last night. And then this little dress is LA Apparel. And then I'm just wearing my Comme des Garçons. I'm horrible at pronouncing things. Converse. Normally I would wear like a sweatshirt, but every time I walk around here when it's cloudy, I think it's gonna be a little bit brisk. And then I'm always like sweating. So I feel like this is gonna be a comfy little walking outfit that's somewhat cute. I'm back. I'm like sweating because I was booking it back because I had to go to the bathroom so bad. So my verdict is that the avocado toast, I got the queen one. It was so good, like 10 out of 10. I saved half of it for later. And then the matcha, oh my gosh, look how gross this color looks right now. It's like pretty good. I got the strawberry matcha, but I don't know, I feel like the flavor is not super strong. So maybe I have to try something else next time. But the vibes are really great. I'm just like dripping sweat. But it got pretty sunny out, so I think I'm gonna go and lay out for a little bit and then come back and probably edit this video. Later tonight, I'm going to see Where the Crawdads Sing with some of my friends. So that's kind of the plan for the day. But I do want to get out there and tan before the sun disappears. So I'm gonna do that. Editing Tasha, coming at you live. I somehow forgot to end off this video, but I did go and see Where the Crawdads Sing with my friends because I had read that book, and I thought the movie was really good. I was holding back tears because I don't like crying in public, but if you guys saw it, let me know your thoughts. But yeah, that's kind of where I wanted to end off this video. I hope you guys love my new apartment as much as I do. I feel so much happier here. already. And once again, thank you to Medicube for sponsoring this video. My code is Tasha10, and I will link everything in the description. Okay, bye guys!